If you're seeing a Grammarly forbidden error, don't worry, Saz. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This error usually means Grammarly's server understood your request, but it refused to complete it, and that's often caused by corrupted site data, a browser extension conflict, or a VPN or proxy blocking Grammarly's network connection. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's understand the problem in simple terms. A forbidden error usually means something on your browser or network is preventing Grammarly from loading properly. So instead of guessing, we're going to test the most common causes one by one, starting with the easiest fix. The first thing to do is test Grammarly in Incognito Mode, or a private browsing window. On Chrome, open the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. If you're using another browser, look for Private Window or In Private Mode. Then go to Grammarly and try signing in again. If Grammarly works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is in your regular browser profile. It could be a corrupted cache, bad cookies, or a conflicting extension. If the issue still appears, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you remove cookies and cached files, especially anything related to Grammarly. After clearing the data, fully close the browser and reopen it, then try Grammarly again. This step often fixes blocked sessions and broken login states. Next, check whether a VPN or proxy is causing the issue. Grammarly can sometimes refuse connections if your IP address looks unusual or if your network traffic is being filtered. Temporarily turn off any active VPN, proxy, or security filter, and also check if your workplace or school firewall is restricting access. Once those are disabled, reload Grammarly and see if the error disappears. If it does, the VPN or network filter was the cause. If you still get the forbidden error, the next thing to do is check your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other writing assistants, can interfere with Grammarly. Open your extension manager and disable anything that might affect page loading, login sessions, or browser requests. Then refresh Grammarly and test again. If it starts working, re-enable your extensions one at a time until you find the one that is causing the conflict. You can also try a different browser as another quick test. If Grammarly fails in Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. If it works in another browser, that tells you the problem is isolated to your original browser settings, extensions, or stored site data. That makes it much easier to narrow down the cause. Another helpful step is to sign out of Grammarly completely and sign back in. Sometimes the login session becomes stuck or expired, and a fresh sign-in can reset the connection. If needed, restart your computer after making these changes, then try again with a clean browser session. If none of those fixes work, the issue may be on Grammarly's side or tied to your account and network combination. In that case, check whether Grammarly is experiencing service problems and try again later. But in most cases, one of these steps will solve the forbidden error quickly. So to recap, test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable VPN or proxy, and check your extensions. Those are the fastest and most effective fixes for a Grammarly forbidden error. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.